Once you have uploaded your documents, you will have an idea of what document types you have to review. Knowing this, you can set up your project's worksheets. This is the first of 2 videos to go over worksheets. This first video will take you through the basics of creating a new worksheet and navigating the SmartField library. The next video will go through worksheet templates and applying different worksheets to different documents. When you click into your project, you can click into the Worksheets page through the left navigation pane. Worksheets are where you can compile any combination of smart fields that will pull out concepts or provisions from the documents. As you can see, new projects will have no worksheets applied. In order to apply one, you can either create a new worksheet or you can use one of the established templates. Worksheet templates are suggested sets of smart fields for particular use cases. We will discuss them further in the next video. Let's start with creating a new worksheet from scratch. So on the right side, select Create Worksheet. So the first thing we want to do is give our worksheet a name. By default, it's called Untitled Worksheet, but by selecting the edit icon right next to that title, we can give it a new name. So suppose we are going to create a worksheet to apply to loan agreements in our document set, then we could just call it Loan Agreements and save, and we'll see the title has changed. Changing the name is important as you may end up creating multiple worksheets in the same project. You'll also notice that by default, the smart fields for title, parties, and date have already been applied. This is because these are very common concepts searched for in all documents. If you want to keep them, great. If you don't, then you can remove one or all of them by selecting the ones you want to remove. Just click on the box next to the smart field or smart fields and then select remove, and then they're gone. If you want to add smart fields, go to add smart fields above and then select from Smart Field Library. Here you have access to all of the over 1,400 built-in smart fields built and tested by former lawyers employed at Kira. In addition, you have access to all published custom smart fields built within your organization. You can narrow this massive list by simply typing in the search bar part of a word that you are looking for that may be in the field. So if we're looking for an assignment clause, we can start by typing in assign. You'll see that Kira has filtered out all smart fields where assign is either in the title or in the smart field description. Seeing how there's still 30 results, we may want to further narrow them down. So we can do that by using any of these drop downs, either by source, by type, or by field group. Knowing that we are using these on loan agreements, we will select the credit facility agreements field group. And this will take us down to just 6 results. The field groups are a good way to assist in determining which smart fields apply to different document types. As you can see here, each smart field will explain what concept the smart field is looking to capture, and then what document types the smart field has been trained on. This second part is important because the smart field's accuracy relies on it having been trained on similar document types as the ones you are applying the smart fields to. Having found the appropriate smart field, we can simply select the box right next to the smart field name, and then we'll see that smart field appear on the list of fields that are to be added to our worksheet. We can also look for other smart fields that we may want to add, such as financial covenants. And perhaps we want the entire financial covenants text clause, or maybe we want to just answer the question, does the agreement contain a financial covenant? We can also look to find more specific financial covenants themselves, being the fixed charge cover ratio, the interest debt service cover ratio, and or the leverage ratio. Each of the ones that we select will appear on the list to the right. Once we're complete, simply select Add to Worksheet, confirm, and then now all of the selected smart fields will appear in our loan agreements worksheet. This is all for the first of the 2 worksheet videos. Please watch the next one to learn how to use worksheet templates and how to create and apply multiple worksheets.